DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to Wall Curtains. Today, we're diving into the world of home automation and exploring how to install motorized curtains. Whether you're looking to add convenience, energy efficiency, or an extra layer of security to your home, motorized curtains are a smart and stylish solution. Let's get started with our step-by-step guide on how to install them yourself. Step 1. Gather your tools and materials. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials on hand. You'll need a drill with a screwdriver bit, a level, measuring tape, mounting brackets, screws, and of course, your motorized curtain track system with remote control. Step 2. Measure and mark the mounting points. Start by measuring the width of your window and marking the center point. Then, use a measuring tape and level to determine the placement of your mounting brackets. Make sure the brackets are evenly spaced and aligned with the center point of the window. Step 3. Installing the brackets. Using your drill, attach the brackets at the marked locations. If you're drilling into drywall, make sure to use wall anchors to secure the brackets firmly. Step 4. Mounting the track and motor. Carefully place the track onto the brackets and secure it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, install the motor. The motor's location will depend on your specific system, but it's usually placed on one end of the track. Step 5. Hanging the curtains. With the track and motor installed, you can now hang your curtains. Make sure they are evenly distributed for smooth operation. Once hung, attach the curtains to the motorized belt or rod, ensuring a secure fit. Step 6. Connecting to power and testing. Connect your motor to a power source and test the system. Use the remote control or your smart home system to open and close the curtains, making sure they move smoothly and stop at the correct positions. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to install motorized curtains in your home. With just a few tools and some basic DIY skill, you can enjoy the convenience and luxury of motorized curtains in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home automation tips and tutorials.